What's up, guys? This is Car Life 365. You already know who I am. You should, anyways. I saw that that Toyota is now coming out with a new redesigned Tundra. They're only putting V6s in them. A turbo V6 and a hybrid V6. To me, I would rather have the V8. That's my opinion. Especially with a bigger truck. Should I go and review one of the new Tundras when they do come out? Should I get a Tundra? Tundras are one of the vehicles that they're actually good at producing. I haven't heard very many recalls on them for a long while, so they must be doing something right. They're supposed to have a 14-inch screen in them, supposedly. We'll see what the actual production produces. It'll be interesting. If I do get one, it'll probably be the TRD Pro. I don't think it'll be a bad vehicle to own. I don't know, we'll see though. So, I might also review the brand new Frontier from Nissan. Looks like a nice truck. Nice compact truck, I guess you want to call it. Or mid-sized truck. Should I own one? I don't know. Ford and GM needs to update their Colorado and Ranger looks before I get interested in buying one. They've been the same since they came out. Their interiors may be updated quite a bit. And Ford just unveiled, or not really unveiled, but they just announced that they're coming out with the Bronco Raptor. It would be an interesting SUV. I'm surprised they gone with Bronco Raptor, not the Bronco Warthog, like what everyone's talking about for the past 2 or 3 years before they came out with the Bronco. I think it'll be interesting. I do like the look of the Tundra that's coming out, the new one. Since they haven't, I don't think they redesigned it since 2015, 2016. It could be earlier than that. I'm not 100% sure. But the redesign was needed. Same thing with the Nissan Frontier. Nissan Frontier hasn't been updated since 06. That's an old look for a truck. Am I still looking at the Dodge Charger RT Scat Pack? Yeah. I'm not gonna daily drive it. I would rather have a truck to daily than Dodge Charger. Dodge Charger would be something to play with. Like go to the drag strip, go to a racetrack, play with it there. Use it on the weekends, go car shows, stuff like that. Since V8s aren't going out, most V8s are no longer existing, which kind of sucks. So I do like V8s. Apparently 2023 or 2024, their Chevy is discontinuing the Camaro. Supposed to be coming back out with the Trans Am, I think. Or Firebird or something. I'm not 100% sure. I don't get why they're doing that. But that's Chevy for you. To my knowledge, Ford's still going to be producing the Mustang. There's been word about Dodge coming out with the Viper, but with a twin turbo V8, I do believe. That would be an interesting concept of Viper. People are saying, oh, electric vehicles are the future. No, they're not. You might think they are, but they're actually ruining the Earth, the planet that we live on, with chemicals and all of that to harvest said lithium. So they're polluting the groundwater and all the vegetation around the water. Yeah. People aren't very smart. Is lithium needed? Yeah, for actual car batteries, but electric vehicles are not the future. The future is what we have right now. I can go on, but I'm going to call off right here. Stay safe. Remember to like, share, like and subscribe. You don't have to share if you don't want to. See ya.